And so what's up mga Lodi, share ko lang, continuation pa rin pala ito ng aking once in a lifetime Turkey trip. And for today's video ay i-flex ko naman sa inyo ang aming naging Antalya Museum Expedition and Tour. Kaya naman tara, pasok tayo! According to our tour guide, Antalya Museum is one of the largest archaeological museum in Turkey, wherein dito mo nga makikita yung mga thousands of ancient prehistoric artifacts accompanied by thorough explanations of their history. And these artifacts are found and discovered from variety sites around Turkey, wherein divided ang museum sa 13 halls with the artifacts relating to a different period. The museum includes wealth of statues and sculptures from the Roman Empire, and majority nga sa mga ito were excavated from Perch. At isa nga sa mga famous at pinaka-iniingat-ingat nila rito ay yung marble statue ni Heracles. As I roam around the halls of the museum ay hindi ko maiwasang matuwa at mamangha sa mga gawa ng mga sinuunang tao. And seeing these arts and artifacts really gives me the vibes of traveling back to the past. Kaya buti na nga lang ay merong mga ganitong lugar na pwedeng bisitahin at puntahan upang kahit papaano ay masilayan pa rin ng henerasyon ngayon ang noon at nakaraan. Yun lang. Note, please continue to like, share, and follow me for more.